Hi, I'm Jeff Krause. I'm 41 years old, live here in Utah, originally born and raised in Cleveland, Ohio. A little bit about me. I've been through quite a journey in my life, especially athletically and physically. Back in high school, I tore my ACL, had a really nice long recovery, and that was my first taste of getting a surgery and figuring out how to recover and get back to where I was. Going back to 2020, COVID hits. 3 weeks later, I got diagnosed with cancer. And that kind of created this trend for me, from my ACL to my cancer surgery of I need to keep pushing forward. I need to keep, setting goals for myself to get back to being who I am. Not really let the surgeries define me and impact my life. I mean, they do, but I'm how do I get back to where I was? How do I go further than where I was? Late 2024, I was getting treated for some bulging discs in my back. I very distinctly remember Dr. Edwards telling me, just so you're aware, you're probably not gonna be back to running, PRs, in your races. You're probably maybe gonna get back to 80%, 85%. And just in that moment, I'm like, challenge accepted. That's really all I needed to hear in that, in that conversation to push me. In January of 25, I had my left hip labrum repair. At the 2-week mark, I was at PT with Ashley Moline. We just got after it. I mean, I was on my stationary bike at the 2-week mark, just doing 15 minutes a day. A lot of it was just okay, how do I go forward? How do I keep pushing? How do I keep recovering? In PT, that Ashley was like, hey, if you weren't getting this other surgery, you're probably just at the point where you can start running again. And then it's okay, but hey, we got to go do this other hip. It's not lost on me that I kind of spent basically a full month of my 2025 in bed. For a person like me that likes to be outside in the mountains, hiking, running, that was tough, really tough. But again, that 2-week mark, it's boom, out of bed, let's go, let's hit the bike, let's hit PT. And my big goal was, I want to run the Moab Trail Half Marathon again. Everybody knows, you can't just say, hey, I'm gonna go play in the Super Bowl and not have a plan of attack. I worked with Ashley, in our physical therapy sessions to really map out a course of what is realistic. Your recovery's not linear. It definitely has peaks and valleys. You can't put the cart before the horse. My mindset was always one step at a time, one foot in front of the other. So I think a lot of what I would attest my recovery to is A, just goal setting, and B, having a great team around me, all the way through. Then it's okay, you guys set me up and now I have to execute. What happens to me when I'm running? There's kind of two things. Every success or failure, for the most part, is solely on my shoulders. If I do well, that's because I worked really hard and put in the effort. If I don't, it means I probably didn't, put in the effort or the work needed. That's part of it. But the second part, running, I found, is my happy place. It is one of the only things in this hyper-connected world where I can live in my own head and just kind of be Jeff. I'm not letting this take over my life. I'm not letting this impact it. My philosophy looking at all of this, it's A, making sure you have the right team of support around you. And that goes from your doctor to your physical therapist to your support system at home. That's part one. The second part, setting goals and having that mental fortitude. You're gonna have great days and you're gonna have really not great days. Trying to piece together something that works for you to keep pushing you forward. Life would actually be really boring if everything was perfect all the time. So I've tried to look at a lot of these situations that have happened to me as just another challenge in the road of life. It's kept me moving forward and kept me mentally strong and just, kept my life interesting.